The most common product used for hardwiring in new residential construction is a smart home system. Smart home systems allow control of a home's lighting, appliances, and other devices from a single application on a phone or tablet. They can also be integrated with other smart home devices, such as security systems and thermostats. There are many different brands of smart home systems available. Some of the most popular include, firstly, Amazon Alexa. Alexa is a voice-controlled smart home system that can control a wide range of devices, including lights, appliances, and thermostats. It can also be used to play music, set timers, and get the news. Secondly, Apple HomeKit. HomeKit is a smart home system that works with Apple devices, such as the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. It can control a wide range of devices, including lights, appliances, and thermostats. Thirdly, Google Home. Google Home is a voice-controlled smart home system that can control a wide range of devices, including lights, appliances, and thermostats. It can also be used to play music, set timers, and get the news. Smart home systems are still a relatively new technology, but they are quickly becoming more popular. They offer a number of benefits over traditional hardwired systems, including, firstly, convenience. Smart home systems can be controlled from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This means you can turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, or lock the doors even when you're not home. Secondly, energy efficiency. Smart home systems can help save energy by automatically turning off lights and appliances when they are not in use. They can also be used to schedule tasks, such as turning on the sprinklers at a specific time each day. Thirdly, security. Smart home systems can help keep a home safe by monitoring for intruders and sending alerts if something happened. They can also be integrated with security systems to automatically call the police or fire department in the event of an emergency. If considering installing a smart home system in a new home, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, cost. Smart home systems can be expensive to install, but the cost has come down in recent years. The cost of a system will vary depending on the size of the home and the number of devices wanting to be connected. Secondly, compatibility. Not all smart home systems are compatible with all devices. Before purchasing a system, make sure it is compatible with the devices you want to use. Installation. Smart home systems can be installed by a professional or a do-it-yourselfer. If someone is not comfortable installing the system themselves, they can hire a professional to do it for them. Overall, smart home systems are a great way to make a home more convenient, energy efficient, and secure. If someone is considering installing a smart home system in their new home, be sure to do the research to find the best system for their needs.